Pratiksha Shinde and my nodal center is Nanded. Our constitution had stood the test of time and help us to go through the various difficult situations as a nation that encounters various difficulties. Each part of our constitution, when we can see it depicts a sense and a phase of our national movement from the Indus Valley civilization of Mohenjo-daro to the Gupta's period, Mayuran, Mughal Empire and the Vedic period to the freedom of a national movement. A very warm good afternoon, one and all over here, standing before you with in assurance to my topic, 75 years of the Indian Constitution, a journey of rights, duty and progress. Marking it with a landmark judgments in the Keshavananda like cases where these judgments have shown us that with the amendments of 106 in the 75 years, we have suppressed USA, which has only 27 amendments in 225 years. Along with that, our constitution has also passed a PESA Act, that is the Panchayat Act 1996, which gives empowering the Gram Sabha more power. Along with that, our Article 19, 14 and 20 are termed as the golden triangle of our constitutions. These articles, under the judgment in the Vishakha state of Rajasthan, has proved as a cornerstone for empowering the human right and as well as giving the workplace safety in India. Along with this, the Nyay Bandhu new initiative initiated by our government in this journey helps to the advocates, those who are offering the free of cost practices for the unmarginalized sections of the society through the mobile technologies. As looking back towards our journey, Bharat or democracy has started its journey with a guide called Constitution. This constitutions, even today, we are having as a sacred book for all of us. Along with this, when we started our journey, our constitution was not that much to the ahead. But with this, today, when I would say proudly that time people said us at independence, India won't be last moreover. But today, I would say proudly, we are the 5th largest economy in world and growing rapidly towards being the 3rd economy in the world. The words in preamble of our constitution, that is we the people, these 3 words are not only the words, but it also means that we all should work together. Thank you.